As a kid, my grandfather had a quote unquote broken heart. That was a very difficult time for my family and myself. He saw heart doctors requiring ultimately cardiac surgery. We weren't sure if our grandpa was ever gonna make it back home. And so it made a very, very difficult time, turned into a very rewarding time. And I knew that I wanted to be a doctor and be someone who could do the same for someone else's family. Hi, my name is S Zhang. I'm an orthopedic surgeon at Penn Medicine. I chose orthopedic surgery. I was drawn particularly to spine surgery, the intricacies, the meticulousness of the surgeries. I deal with the nerves, the bones, and the discs of the spine. We even deal with the sacroiliac joint, which includes the joints in the pelvis. The type of ailments I see include simple things like disc herniations, which can result in things like pinched nerves or sciatic type pain. More complex things like scoliosis, kyphosis, and complex revision surgeries. Some of the surgeries that I do include lumbar discectomies, fusions, but really we're transitioning our care to motion preserving surgeries. So those includes arthroplasties, like things like hip replacements in those joints, which we're now adapting to the spine. We replace the discs now. Instead of fusing things where we take two bones and make them into one, we're able to preserve that motion by doing joint replacements in those cervical and lumbar vertebrae now. The first visit with my patients are really getting to know their symptoms, getting to know who they are, getting a full comprehensive idea of their medical problems, their social situations, really spending all the time needed to really understand who that patient is and what their complaints are. As surgeons, we want to try to help people surgically, but oftentimes it's not in their best interest. First things will always be non-operative measures, including medications, physical therapy, and injections if needed. That decision is wholeheartedly a collective decision-making process. We talk about all the options and we decide what's best together. And if it comes to it, we'll talk about surgery if that's the best option for them. Our department here at Penn Medicine is exceptionally strong and unique. It is a top Ivy League institution. We value research, we value education, we value upholding the newest technologies and being able to be at the forefront of our fields. Ultra-minimally invasive spine surgery, or endoscopic spine surgery, is the newest thing in spine surgery, where we're able to accomplish the same goals with much smaller incisions, which translates into much less pain for the patients, better outcomes. Recovery time for minimally invasive surgery is much, much less compared to open traditional spine surgery. The best part of my job clinically is being able to see patients get better, whether it's relieving them of pain or really being able to spend more time with their family and getting them back to doing the things they like to do.